Yo, for real. Crazy. Yeah.
Hey beauty, so in this video I'll be showing you how I got these bomb beach waves using this Beauty Forever hair. I made this into a unit like 2 months ago, y'all. This has been in my closet. I ain't paid no attention to it. I haven't done anything to this hair, and I just want to show y'all still how bomb this hair is after just, you know, being neglected. Still popping, okay? So to start off, you're gonna need some mousse and you're gonna need some flexi rods. I would definitely recommend using bigger flexi rods to get some waves, because the smaller rods you use, the more curly it's gonna be. So here's another view of the hair. I'm just detangling it, detangling this hair, making sure it's all brushed out. I'm actually doing this set on dry hair, so bam boom as is. And y'all, this hair is just so pretty. Like, I love how full it is. I believe this is like 3 bundles total with a closure. I just love how full and natural this hair is. Like, it's just so bomb. So to start the curls or the waves, you want to make sure you're using big sections, and I cannot stress this. The bigger the section, the more wavy it's gonna be. The smaller the section, you're gonna end up with like some ringlets, some curls. So if you're going for this bomb beach wave look, make sure you use like big sections to get that result. And I'm just showing you guys how I curl. And I do want to point out that I put the flexi rods basically going inward, so like all the rods on the right side of the hair, you're gonna curl them going inward. And then you see right here, y'all about to see it in just a minute, the rods on the other side of the head, on the left side of the head, you want to curl it going inward. You see what I mean? So yeah, boom.
Even when your parents said they don't use, I could give you better life, baby. I'll take you to the stars on the daily. In rough times, I'll never leave you lonely. Don't have to worry, you'll be the one and only. Shawty, ain't nobody like you do. That's my mind, you be having shit and woke when I'm snooze. Yeah, for real, babe. Yeah. Think I really wanna care, babe. Yeah, I'm like for real, babe. Yeah. I'm tryna build what they can't build, babe. Yeah, hey yo, for real, babe. Yo, can we focus on that real, babe? Yeah, yo, for real, babe. Do that time, I do that bid, babe. But yo,
ocean blue waves, and let's ride off into the sunset, floating on my ocean blue waves.
So the set is all done, looking nice and tight, and you have 2 options to let this dry. It really doesn't need a lot of drying time, because you have to use a lot of mousse with this because it is a dry set. So you can just put it under the dryer or just let it dry overnight. I did both. And here is the almost results. I just took 2 down to make sure everything was everything. They look so pretty already, and just unravel them and bam.
Crazy. Yeah.
hello, shawty. You look good today. And we all got flaws, but yours is out the way. Now let's take this elevator all the way to the top floor. Let me show you better views. I can give you a lot more. Hell yeah, I'm educated. See, the streets taught me a lot, baby. Thank God I grew up in that hood, but I was on that wood, man, a lot, baby. Stand by you versus cops, baby. Rather than die to lose my heart, baby. That's you. If I get shackled, I'ma break them loose.
So you could definitely leave it just like this, and I kind of wish I would have, but I went ahead and brushed it out with a paddle brush. Quickly realized I did not want that paddle brush look, so I switched to just a wide tooth comb. And yeah, I just combed out the waves with that. I like this look, but I think it would have been even more bomb with just finger combing through it, because y'all, just look at them waves, girl. Came out so pretty. And really, that is it. Like, it's so easy to do beach wave, a flexi rod set, and getting beach waves. It's just really like an easy, low maintenance type of look. So here is the look. I'm about to put it on so y'all can see it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to y'all in another one.
Do that bid, babe.
Knock me out.
Yo,
Ocean blue waves, and let's ride off into the sunset, floating on my ocean blue waves, and let's ride off into the sunset. Yeah.
baby, I'll give a little more, just to even out the score. It's your love and I adore, yeah. It's got me level to the floor, yeah. Do what I gotta do, yeah. I got your back, I'm right behind you. Even when your parents said they don't use, I could give you better life, baby. I'll take you to the stars on the daily. In rough times, I'll never leave you lonely. Don't have